If you're a die-hard fan of this channel, there's a high chance that of late you've realized we haven't been uploading our content very frequently. We don't like that, and we know you don't like that as well. Well, previously, for the past couple of months, we've been engaged in mining. I mean, crypto mining, in specific, GPU mining. And prices of hardware like GPUs, motherboard and stuff has really gone up exponentially. Twice, 3 times, or even 4 times their prices it was in 2019 and 20. Right now, if you want hardwares like GPUs to buy, they are really expensive. Even if you have the cash, you might not even get some to buy. So we bought few GPUs to start mining crypto, and the start was good, but we wanted to maximize our daily profit potential. So we were on the hunt finding GPUs to buy, and because the price was 4 times the initial price and you can't even find them in the market to buy, we were really frustrated and wanted to stop mining because our electricity bills were getting more expensive than our profits we were making, and we were just like breaking even, and it wasn't really making a lot of sense. So we paused the GPU mining for a while. So the reason why you haven't been seeing our videos of late is because of these projects we are working on. So we had to build a room, that's a mining room or a mining farm, to house our equipment like the motherboard, the GPUs and stuff. So it was built from the ground up, and it cost us about $3,000 up to the roof, not including anything inside. So we also had to build it in such a way that it can pull out heat, because this GPU really, produces a lot of heat in the room. So we had to get an HVAC system so that our room we can control the temperature of the room every time. So we had to buy the exhaust fan. So exhaust fan, what it does is that it pushes out, or it brings out the hot air inside the room. So we can see a picture of how exhaust fan looks like. So we considered all these engineering factors when we were building our GPU farm, and it wasn't an easy project. And after building this farm, we had to equip it with GPUs, motherboard, shelves and stuff. So in my next videos, I'm going to show you how our mining farm looks like. But currently, we've sold out all our GPUs, and we want to get into another form of mining that's called the hard drive mining. So late 2017, there was a coin that you can use your hard drive to mine, but the coin wasn't so popular, and miners weren't really making a lot of money. So a lot of people stopped mining with their hard drives. But in 2021, there is a new type of mining, and that's called the Chia mining. Chia mining uses your hard drives to mine. So what it typically does is that you need a fast hard drive. A fast hard drive can be an SSD. Oh, I said SSD. Okay, you need an SSD. So the SSD, because of how these operations are really going to tear up your SSD life, you need an enterprise grade SSD. So how is hard drive mining so different from GPU mining? Well, with the hard drive, their prices right now are pretty less expensive than the GPUs, but I can see a sudden rise of the prices of hard drives because people are getting to know that they can really mine with the hard drives, and because they are less expensive, they are switching from the GPU mining to the hard drive mining. So last 2 weeks ago, I purchased a couple of hard drives, that's 8 terabytes, 10 terabytes and stuff, and they are pretty expensive here in Ghana. And I also have a friend outside the country who also bought me some, and I had to pay to someone in Ghana for him so that we can just exchange that. So currently I'm having a couple of hard drives now, and we are planning to get more into our mining farm to start mining this Chia coin. As of recording this video, one Chia cost about $700 to $800. And how is Chia coin mining so different from GPU mining? The Chia coin also works on the proof of time and space protocol. So as I said, the GPU works with the proof of work. The GPUs need to work to mine some coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Raven coin for you. But for Chia mining, it works on the proof of space and time. So you need a very large hard drive space. So because of my setup and because I can't really add about 20 or 10 hard drives to my system, I plan to get large size hard drives. Like, let's say the minimum hard drives I've gotten now is 8 terabytes. So I get 8 terabytes, 10 terabytes, 12 terabytes, 18 terabytes. That's so the minimum hard drive space I'm gonna get is 8 terabytes because I don't have enough space on my motherboard to put in or inject all these hard drives. So if you have any other way you think I can put in a lot of hard drives in my system, you can put it down in the description. I'm going to review it and see how I can do that. I know I can add a couple of extensions, that's USB extensions to my system, but I'm not looking to go for that option. I think I'm going to build another server to when my hard drives increases. So when I'm expanding, I think I'm going to build more servers, and currently I'm planning to build more servers so that as our hard drives are coming in, we can just expand really quickly. So for Chia mining, anyone can mine it just with your old laptop or desktop lying around. If you have a gaming machine, that would be better. But I think everyone can get into Chia mining right now with the machine he or she has right now. So you're gonna need an SSD. SSD is the fast hard drive, as I already mentioned, and the fast hard drive is gonna do what is called the plotting. The plotting really takes time. So before I get one plot, it takes me about 9 to 12 hours. Previously, I was taking 12 hours to get one plot, but I've changed the SSD I use to a very fast SSD. So a maximum 9 hours, I should have one plot done. So with plotting, you can do parallel plots or you can do plotting in queue, and I do parallel and plotting in queue sometimes. So I'm going to explain all this in my next videos. If you are interested in mining with your hard drive lying around, you can subscribe to this channel and you can wait for our next videos. Traders, I think hard drive mining could be the future because countries like China, UK have started putting tight restrictions on miners because a lot of people steal power in these countries to mine their cryptocurrencies, and also the power they consume are so high. So these GPUs are power hungry. They really consume a lot of power in the system. And for this hard drive mining, they consume less power, and that's called green mining because they don't really consume a lot of power as compared to mining with ASICs and GPUs. I'm gonna keep this video really short. This is just an update of what we are doing currently, and let me know in the description if you are interested in going on this journey with us and you are interested in watching more videos about this hard drive mining in our next videos. Let us know in the comment section if you have any suggestion or any idea you have about this hard drive mining. Traders, like and subscribe to this channel. Remember to trade safe and also stay safe.